Beyond a wholesome discipline, be gentle with yourself. Well, therefore, be at peace with God, whatever you conceive Him to be, and whatever your labors and aspirations in the noisy confusion of life, give peace in your soul. With all its charm, tragedy, and broken dreams, it is still a beautiful world. Be cheerful, strive to be happy. You are a child of the universe, no less than the trees and stars. You have the right to be here, and whether or not it is clear to you, no doubt the universe is unfolding as it should.